SanDisk guided Q1 down, and margins as well. Were you surprised by this announcement?
I don't like SanDisk, and I've never liked SanDisk because of its unpredictability. And NAND flash is a commodity. And we've watched Micron come on incredibly strong in the last few months. It's only a matter of time when we got a tipping point. I believe that Apple's probably playing these companies against each other. Today's a day where everyone wants to extrapolate the worst. So we'll say SanDisk. Well, maybe we should sell Cirrus. Maybe we should sell Skyworks. Maybe that Broadcom's up too high and Qualcomm's too high. And I've seen this time and again. And the inputs I get are always the same. People don't defend a market. They sell. That's been the theme for 12 years. So to buck that theme is difficult. I want to tell you to sell SanDisk, but you sell everything else on SanDisk, then you struggle to get back in. So I'm not saying SanDisk is one-off. I don't like the industry. And just like Micron has been a single-digit number, one of the worst performing stocks the last couple of years, it's going to stay that way. And now I think it's even able to bring down SanDisk.
So technology is not necessarily a sector you stay away from. They've been leaders, but we got bad news today. IBM downgraded.
Oh, but that was just one of these valuation calls that if they take the stock to 198, you're going to be right back in. I own a fractional alerts. We trim some. I'm anxious to buy more. I think that when you look at technology, seasonally this is the right time to downgrade tech because we're going into the summer. But the one thing I would caution is that tech valuations are so low versus the rest of the market that if you're going to sell your Microsoft and your Intel, I'm going to ask you, what's your game plan? What are you going to do? What, do you put that money in General Mills? So I've been saying from the beginning that 2012 is different from 2011, 2010. We're in a different kind of market. We did rally huge in the first quarter. So I feel like that before you decide to sell everything because of what are deteriorating trends, recognize that you simply may be selling things because everybody else is.
So technology is not a loser. You got to find the right opportunities, and there are some.
Exactly. This market is
stock pickers market.
Stocks have rallied this year.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going to